Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Leo. So watch this video if you're a Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind, these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link is again in the description. Alright, let's see messages, and hold on a second. I just got a message. So you might be getting a message very soon from someone. Who is this person? Anyway, and it could be an old friend, by the way. Alright, one of my very old friend is just texting me out of nowhere. Anyway, so that could be a channel message for some of you. You might be getting a message from someone, and someone who you haven't spoken in some time. Anyway, let's see messages for Leo, please. Okay, yeah, again, see, see. So we have Page of Swords. I see somebody stalking you, and this person is trying to see what is up with you, and somebody might be hitting up on you because they want to know what is up with your life and what are you doing, where are you, etc, etc. And this could be an air sign, some of you Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and somebody, yeah, Two of Cups. Okay, this person also loves you, by the way. So I see that somebody is very, very interested, but maybe you are not talking to this person, or maybe you just escaped, you kind of ghosted this person, or you're just out of this person's range and now they are wondering about you, as in where did you go? All right, so somebody is very curious to know what is up with you because this person have feelings for you and they are inquiring about you, they are stalking you, or they just want to get information about you. All right, what else? Five of Swords. Okay, Eight of Pentacles. I see that this person might have not acted really well. You know, the problem is, okay, I'm getting a problem with this person. Your person has a problem. The problem is that this person wants this connection. They want to work on this connection, but they show you like they don't give a fuck about it. So somebody is two-faced. This person do not act like they feel, all right? Somebody tries to show you that they don't care, or maybe they're showing it to you that they want to break up with you, or they have broken up with you and they have forgotten about you. And you know, this person is trying to be mean to you, or they want to show to you that they don't really care. But see, this is what they want. Two of Cups and Eight of Pentacles. Somebody wants you to make things happen with them. This person is waiting for you to chase them, you to contact them, or you to put the hard work. Okay, somebody is wanting to know about you. This person is curious, but they are not willing to do the hard work in the connection. Who the fuck are you dealing with, Leo? Some of you, it's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We have Earth sign here as well. Star card. Ooh, could be an Aquarius. If it's an air sign, could be an Aquarius very strongly. I see somebody wants to achieve balance with you. They are definitely seeing you in a very good light. And they also know that there might be competition. Or some of you, Leo, you have competition. So you have more than one person who's interested in you. And people are just fighting for your attention. Can you see that? Seven of Wands. It's like a competition. Somebody is fighting a competition to win your attention. This is you, by the way. And I see that an air sign, especially Aquarius, very attracted to you, super attracted to you. However, this person is taking it really slow. It's like they want to come forward to you very quickly, but their action is very, very slow. Why is this person acting so slow? Why are they acting so slow? Knight of Swords. They think that you might not accept them if they come to you. This person knows that you know their games. So maybe that is why they're acting very, very slow. You know, Knight of Swords is basically a fuckboy. So this person knows that you know that they're a fuckboy or a fuckgirl. So that is why this person is not getting the courage to come towards you. They know that you know that they are very unstable. Alright? So that is why this person is taking time. But I see somebody, especially an Aquarius, a Gemini, Libra, could be a Leo for some of you. Very interested in you, very, very interested in you. See, Two of Wands. They're looking for expansion with you. This person might be showing you that they don't care, or they're showing you that, oh my god, Leo, you see, I put you through so much of trouble. That kind of an energy. They want to show you down, but this is what they want from you. Two of Wands. They want expansion. This person is definitely waiting to hear from you, but you are not going to talk to them. So ultimately they will give up and they might talk to you. Queen of Pentacles. I see your finance being really improving. With the Eight of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, you're not paying much attention to this person. You're very focused on your stability these days. You're trying to reflect on your past and you're trying to go after your calling. And you're just trying to do what is best suited to you. You feel that this person was a waste of time, or at least you think that it is not the right time to waste on them. So that is why you're trying to redirect your focus, and you're just trying to align yourself with your goals, and that is actually going to give you a lot of success. So we have the Strength card with the Eight of Pentacles and the Star card. So some sort of recognition, big money is coming towards you. I see that July, the rest of the July and moving into August, there is like big success coming towards you. And I see Leo readings have been pretty shitty in past few months, but I see things are improving for you drastically. Okay, what is Leo feeling for this person on their mind? Three of Pentacles. Some of you also want to talk to this person. It's like you are waiting for them to initiate something. However, I see you're heavily focused on yourself. So you want this person, you want a commitment with this person, you want something stable with this person, but are you going to go and beg them? No, you realize that you are a motherfucking empress. You are realizing your self-worth. You have realized your self-worth, and you are not going to lower yourself to anything or anyone. I see this person is coming towards you, but it's a little slow. But they are moving in, okay? So you don't have to worry about it. This person is not taking it very fast because they think that if they will come in really quickly to you, so you might think that this is just a fuckboy coming again to me. So that is why they want to show you that they have been working on themselves, and that is why they are taking things very slow with you, because this time they don't want to fuck this around, all right? Some of you, this person is also taking things very slow because they want to have a reaction from you. Two of Pentacles. What is about so many pentacles here? Oopsie, 10 of Wands. See, how did this come out? You're working really hard on your pentacles, Leo. I see that, and I definitely see that you will be getting a lot of money. Your money is definitely improving. Transfer some into my account. And when it comes to love, I see you having a choice. So you might not be aware, but there is more than one person who's interested in you. Could be a Gemini, could be an earth sign. Some of you it's an Aquarius. Or a Leo or Aquarius or an earth sign. I don't know what is up. Some of you it's a Taurus. I definitely see a choice. You know, Two of Pentacles is a card of choice, and Lovers is also a card of choice. So I see that you guys putting your head down, working on your finances, working on your stability. You are not even aware, but there are so many people who want you. People are basically fighting for your attention. There is more than one person who's waiting to have a shot with you, and you are not even aware because you are just overburdened with so many things going on. I see these days you're just carrying a lot of burden on your shoulders. You have a lot of things to figure out. You are not paying as much attention, but there is someone very passionately attracted towards you. Four of Pentacles. You want stability with this person, but you're not willing to do the work. I mean, you feel that you have tried in the past and you cannot do it again. So you want this person to come correct, and this person is taking slow because they won't have a reaction with you. What is up? Magician. Some of you manifesting money or stability. What are you doing? Are you doing something? Whatever you're doing is going to work. So whatever juju or whatever prayer or affirmation or whatever manifestations you're doing, I see universe is granting you, especially money and stability. Big times, big freaking success coming towards you. This is such a beautiful read. Can you see most of the cards are really positive? Only Five of Pentacles, Five of Swords is bad card, but it is in your past. The future cards are really positive for you, Leo. So I see that, you know, you were really stuck in a situation for a very long time and you really wanted to get out of it. You're getting out of it very beautifully. Again, see the Moon and the Two of Swords. Somebody was just creating a lot of confusion for you. This person was not giving you the clarity and you did not know where you stood with them. But I see finally you gaining clarity and you are anyway moving on. You're like, I am moving on. If you level up, catch me up. Otherwise, bye-bye. And this person is catching you up. The good thing is they want to catch up with you basically, because they realize your worth. Somebody is seeing you in a very good light. This person thinks that you're a hard worker, or they think that you're very stable or whatever. Hermit. You're not indulging much. I see that you're very focused on your own self these days, educating yourself, isolating yourself, or just doing a lot of reflection. And you know, this is not something that you always wanted. This is like somebody forced you to become like this. You've become very quiet in your life and you're just very focused and driven in your life. You know, sometimes the biggest heartbreak gives the biggest breakthrough. I see this is that moment. You had a very big heartbreak, but now you're going to have a very big breakthrough as well. That is law of compensation. Universe needs to compensate for you. If it puts you through trash, it is for you to learn some lessons, have some reflections so that you can prepare yourself some sort of breakthrough, and that is happening for you. So a lot of your focus is basically on stability. You're trying to take a step back from everything, and you just don't want to play games back. That is the best thing about you, Leo. Like in the past, you just wanted this person to come forward and come clear or whatever, but now in the present, I see that you're not even wanting to indulge into anything which is unstable. That is why this person is also very scared to come towards you, because they know that you know all of their unstable behavior. So that is why they're taking it slow. They're planning properly and then coming towards you. Okay, what's the future? What's the future of this? Somebody shows that they don't care about you. That is why they're taking it slow, but they are very interested in you. Okay, 3 of Wands. I see communication definitely, as I said in the beginning of the reading. So 3 of Wands and the 10 of Pentacles with the 9 of Pentacles. Your money definitely improving. And when it comes to relationship, I definitely see it going towards something more stable. Now, it could be with the past person. For some of you, it could be a new person. As I said, you have multiple options. Like there are multiple people interested in you. But whoever this person is going to be very stable. 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles shows commitment. And it also shows marriage. So some of you, maybe marriage is on your mind and you want to finally get out of toxic situations and, focus, like you are already building yourself and now you want to welcome a new person in your life. I see that's happening. And someone from your past definitely is also recognizing your worth, because you have leveled up drastically in life and you are going to do it more in the coming times. So somebody is like very clearly, they are recognizing what they missed with you. This person, they're taking it a little slow because they want a reaction from you. They just hope that you notice them and then you approach them. However, when you don't, this person is going to make a move. And love is coming towards you, like more than one person, Leo. King of Cups, wow. And Ace of Pentacles and the 6 of Cups. Oh my God, 9 of Cups. Page of Cups. This is such a beautiful reading. You got all the positive cards. So with the Page of Cups, 9 of Cups and 6 of Cups, I see you were hoping for an apology from someone or a message. You're getting in because Page of Cups is a message. 6 of Cups is coming from someone you were hoping for from the past. So that is coming in. And King of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles definitely shows a very emotional and stable person coming towards you. So your next person very dominantly could be a water or an earth sign. It could be an air sign as well, but water and earth is very dominant. And this person is very stable. So you were hoping for stability and the person who is coming towards you is very stable. Or your past person is matured. And anyway, they want to show you that they are very stable. That is why they're coming in very slowly, because they want to tell you that, oh my God, I've changed in all these days. I realized, and I realized your worth. I see when this person comes back, they're going to be very pampering. And they're going to talk about commitment. Ace of Pentacles is a commitment card. It's a very good card. And it shows that if you get married to this person, it's going to be very lavish wedding very soon. So it is coming sooner than your expectation, though they are a little slow. But when they see that you're not giving any reaction, that is when they are going to accelerate the process and come towards you. Somebody feels that you are some sort of wish fulfillment. They really regret the way they treated you and made the situation very confusing with you. They realize that they made a mistake. They really want to have a new beginning with you. See, again, 7 of Pentacles, slow card, and Ace of Wands, fast card. They're taking it slow right now, but they will be accelerating when they see that you are not giving a reaction. So some of you, just be careful and do not give a reaction to this person. You're on the right track doing you. Keep doing you. This person is attracted to you, super attracted. They are going to come. They are not going anywhere. Children, some of you have a child with this person, or they want to have children with you. Like they talk about family. King of Cups is anyway a very family man. So maybe this person talks about family. They want to have kids with you. Codependency ruined this connection in the past. Definitely we saw that with the Page of Swords and 5 of Swords. This person was very toxic, but I see things have changed, getting to know each other better. So I see that they have changed a little bit or whatever, and you will get to know them better now. This time they are going to be a completely different person, and you'll be realizing as to how much things have changed over time. All right. So yeah, with the 3 of Cups again, it's a reunion. So I definitely see a reunion here. All right, let's see messages for singles though. So this was for people who are dealing with someone. Let's see for people who are absolutely single and wanting to mingle. Hold on a second, because singles keep asking me. And then I'm going to do finance as well. I'll take 3 cards for your finance. So give me messages for singles. Wow, that was very quick. Wow. See, again, singles, there is someone who recognizes you and somebody sees you in a very good light. I see somebody has a lot of admiration for you. I see a very stable person coming towards you. And that is because you have recognized your self-worth. Until and unless you recognize your self-worth, nobody will. Singles, definitely, it's the same message. Somebody wants to make you their wife or their husband. This person is not looking for anything temporary. I see somebody wants a commitment or a marriage. So the next person that you might connect with could be a marriage material. Tower card. Why is this Tower here? Six of Cups. Oh yeah, see, oops. Okay, even for singles, can I tell something? I know you will be very frustrated, I know that. But singles, your next person is your past person. Tower card, it shows that you had a breakup, but this person is coming back. So singles again, Leos, I think this reading was for you, reunion only. So for singles or not singles, I see somebody coming back from your past. So your new person is a past person. Some of it could be a Taurus, could be a Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Yeah, so your new person is your past person. Singles, that's your message. Coming in very fast. Some of you, I am also channeling a message that when this person met you first, they thought that it's going to be one night stand or a friends with benefit kind of thing. But over the time, maybe that is why you just removed them from your life, because they were seeking for sex and you were seeking for commitment. But now this person has changed. I'm getting that message. Alright, give me 3 cards for Leo's finance for the rest of the July. 3 cards for Leo's finance. Wow. Alright, that's a beautiful card. Again, 1 card flipped. Alright, so again, your finance improving. I see that if you have a situation where things are pretty stuck, I see things are going to move in very quickly. If you are waiting for somebody to return your money, I see that message might be coming in really quick. If you're having a legal battle with somebody or a competition with somebody when it comes to finance, I see you will be winning it. Also, something related to your finance is going to be exposed. So maybe you don't know something about it. So something related to your finance, a secret is going to be exposed. So maybe you will get to know that somebody was cheating you, or you get to know that your finance has, if you have invested somewhere, it has really hiked, it is giving you good returns, something like that. Something which is hidden about your finance is going to come out. And I see money better than your expectation, definitely. So you might have expected that you will be having this amount of money, but universe is basically giving you more than that. So your money situation looks really, really sorted for the month of July. So I will see you in the month of August, Leo, or maybe towards the end of July. We'll see when can I get time. And for now, I'll take your leave. Enjoy your day, night, or week, and I will speak to you very soon. Bye.